everyone. My name is Maria Caro, and I am part of the SoftSmile team as an education and product specialist. Part of my role is to help educate our users on Vision's treatment planning software. In this tutorial, I will be covering two options that a case can be reviewed after a treatment plan has been created and sent for doctor approval or for doctor modification. Option one is DFA, or Doctor Face app. Doctor Face app is an application that is installed on the doctor's laptop. It is a limited version of Vision with tools that allow modification of the treatment plan. When the doctor opens the case can be reviewed, it can be approved, and the case will be sent directly into the post-processing, which is in preparation of exporting, or the doctor can modify the treatment plan and send it back to the setup stage. Modifying, again, can be changing tooth position, adding or removing attachments or bite ramps or elastics. And again, as you can see with the little exclamation point, it requires DFA to be installed on the doctor's laptop. So we're going to go ahead and open the case. And as it opens, we'll be able to see everything that has been created for the treatment plan. The designer will send this to the doctor for review. And you'll be able to see a case with attachments and elastics and interproximal reduction. The only thing you will not be able to do in the DFA is extend or shorten the treatment plan presented. So here is the case or treatment plan that was presented by the designer. It has the interproximal reductions, it has attachments, buttons, elastics. And if the doctor would like to change these things or modify, they have the tools within the application to add the attachments or remove them, the bite ramps, the elastics, and the interproximal reduction. So they can hover over the interproximal reduction and increase or decrease the values. The treatment plan presented will be available for viewing, but they will not be able to change or extend or manipulate the treatment plan. They would have to go back to the designer and let them know what the changes that they would like to do. What they can do is change positions of the teeth. And above, you have the option to approve the case, which again would send it immediately into the post-processing stage in preparation for export, or modifying and then entering notes and instructions for the design team to go ahead and make those changes. So this is option one. Option two is using the web viewer. So in the web viewer, the doctor can open and review the case in the browser. They can approve the treatment plan and send it to post-processing stage, again, preparation for export. Send the case back to the setup stage with additional instructions on the changes that are being requested. The only thing you cannot do is modify the treatment plan because this is a viewer. It does not allow you to modify movements or add attachments like the DFA. If you want to share the case by simply using the link, you can click on the link and you'll see a little tab open, and it says the link was successfully copied, and you can paste it on an email or paste it onto the web browser if you want to share it with other colleagues. If you're on the portal, you can simply click on Open Case. and a new tab will open presenting the treatment plan. So here you see the interproximal reduction that is being presented, attachments, buttons, elastics. If you want to go ahead and not see these items as you review your case, you have an icon that is presented at the top bar for viewing settings, and you can hide the attachments. You can hide the elastics, any bite ramps, pontics, interproximal reduction, and you can activate the grid if you feel that you may need to use it as you zoom in into the case or as you manipulate the case. And you can see the items have been removed so they're no longer visual. So the options we have here is approve, which will send the case to the post-processing stage in preparation for export. You can select modify, which gives you the instructions to the option to add instructions. Or instruct for to call for further instructions. Once you click on the send button, the case was moved back into the setup stage for the changes that you have requested to be made by the design team. Again, quick review on the web viewer if you want to individually see the arches or different views. You have the timeline knob, so if you wish to see the whole treatment plan play out. If you want to see it individual, step by step, you can click on the individual playback. And if you want to see the original case or the final. And you can see the count for the upper and the lower. So I hope today's tutorial has been helpful. And thank you so much for watching.